Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting a rare vintage tool that, back in the day, was one of the most widely used in watchmaking. This was gifted to me by a friend who collects antique tools. Do you know what it's used for? Drop a comment below with its function, if you've ever used one, and what the final result was like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Next Saturday, the complete restoration of the Movado premieres. I'm counting on you.